Top 10 methods to make your PC faster in 2026. I'll run through all 10 of them really fast, so bear with me. So first is power supply, external devices, and power settings. By power supply, I mean check the cable, check if it's not damaged, try different outlet in wall, try even different room or different cable, because that could be a cause of slowness, insufficient power to your laptop. The next thing is external devices. Basically disconnect everything from your laptop, like docking stations, keyboards, mouse, and everything that is physically connected to your. Maybe leave the power, but you can also remove the power just to test and see if that improves anything. If it improves, then you know the issue is somewhere on one of your external devices. The next thing is power settings. So just press start, type power or sleep, and open power, sleep, and battery settings. And here this setting is usually by default set to balanced, but you should switch to best performance. That's going to speed up your computer. The next thing is disk cleanup. So press on start, search for disk cleanup, press run as administrator, wait just a few seconds here, and then you can check all these boxes here, press OK, and press delete files. This is going to clean up your computers as well a little bit. The next thing is task manager. Check for high CPU and memory usage. Right click on the taskbar, press task manager, and here you can sort by CPU or by memory and see what takes the most CPU or memory. So for example, here I can see that Microsoft Edge is taking the most memory, but Edge is not even open. So I can just right click and exit it. And now my PC will run a little bit faster or is gonna use a little less memory, so it might improve the speed as well. But if you need to run that task, then you need to investigate why is it taking. For example, sometimes it's 100% here and 100% here, and then you'll be able to see what exactly causes it. Then you'll need to pay deeper attention to which process causes this. The next thing is update the drivers. So for this, I have noted the application that you would need to download from official manufacturer's website. So for example, for Dell, you need to download Dell command update and then run it, and it will install all the drivers, BIOS drivers, graphics drivers. Those are the main that usually cause slowness if they're corrupt or outdated. The next thing is reliability monitor. It's not used very widely, but you can still see something there. So view reliability history, and then you will be able to see all kinds of processes here. And if there's some process that keeps failing, you will see not blue circle but red circle with X. Click on that red circle, and there you will be see what process keeps failing, and then just investigate that process. The next thing is startup apps. Press on start, search for startup apps, and then just disable everything you don't need or you don't use. This will make your PC faster as well. Seventh thing is repair commands. I have noted 4 commands here that you can run, which is gonna fix corrupt system files. So first, press on start, type cmd, remember to run it as administrator, press yes, and then just copy, paste, press enter, wait until it's done, and do the same for the rest of them one by one, and restart computer afterwards. The next thing is actually physically cleaning the vents or cooler. Just blow out the dust from your laptop, because that really helps to cool down the computer, and cooling down really can increase the speed, because computer gets slower if it overheats. So the next thing would be malware scan. If you have any kind of a malware scanner or antivirus program, just run full scan of that, or you can use built-in Windows Defender. Search for security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, scan options, and full scan. Just run this one. It's gonna take like an hour, and you can remove the malware if that is there and it slows down the computer. And the last but not least, it could be hardware issue, and for this you most likely would need to go to your local PC repair shop. But before that, you can also check if there's any memory issues on your computer. You search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, run this as administrator, and press restart now and check for problems if recommended. So just press on this, it's gonna check check your computer memory, and after that it's gonna show error. If there's no error, then you need to check elsewhere, or if there is an error, then you should probably take this computer to some local technician. Or you can use Fiverr. For example, I am offering my services on Fiverr as well. I will just connect to your computer, fix your issue remotely wherever you are in the world, and that's basically it. Have a great 2026. Bye.